Over in Morgan County, the number of coronavirus cases has increased by more than 15% since last week. But according to Decatur Mayor Tab Bowling, there is some good news. The county has been reclassified as high risk instead of very high risk, meaning they are heading in the right direction. Decatur Morgan Hospital President Kelly Powers says there's currently a delay in getting test results back, so assume you are positive until you do get those results.
If you think you have it, and have been tested and you haven't gotten your results, please act like you have it until you get those results back. We have heard some people say, well, I went and I got tested, so I can just do whatever I want to do until I find out my results. Well, that's not the case.
There are currently 25 inpatients with COVID at Decatur Morgan Hospital. 3 are on ventilators.